Okay, I'm gonna release this torsion bar here. Take this deal out. You gotta take this bolt off here. You gotta push up right here. I'm gonna use this right here. Push up right there, and I took off the top of that there of my, jack. And I got a bolt here and like this, and then I'll just jack it up, push it up, push that up right there till that flops around, and you can pull it out, and then I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute. Okay, here's let's see, right there's the bolt right there, and sometimes you might have to do it a few times, get it lined up just so it don't fall off. So I don't know if I can crank it and hold the camera at the same time. And let's see what I got here. Oh yeah, there it is. And voila, there it is. And then you just release the jack down like that. And then voila. You can see how it's done, I guess. Guess I explained it, I don't know. And you want to see how far it drops down. Right there it is. It doesn't like come down a whole lot. If you're wondering how far it comes down. It don't like come smacking down or nothing, but there it is. That's how I did it.